In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy images from Google to Canva quickly and easily. This simple process can help you elevate your designs by incorporating the vast collection of images available online. Whether you're creating a presentation, poster, or social media graphic, this trick will save you time and effort. To get started, open your web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type the name or theme of the image you want. It could be anything from tropical beach to modern business background. Once you hit enter, you'll see your regular search results page. Next, click on the Images tab right under the search bar. This will show you a grid of pictures related to your search. Take your time scrolling through to find the one that fits your project perfectly. When you find an image you like, click on it to open a larger preview. This ensures you're getting the best quality version for your Canva design. Now comes the key part, copying the image. Simply right-click on the image and from the menu that appears, select Copy Image. This saves the image temporarily to your computer's clipboard, allowing you to paste it directly into another app. In this case, Canva. Once copied, open Canva in a new tab or window. If you already have a project open, head straight there. If not, click Create a Design and choose the type of layout you need. Maybe a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or presentation slide. After your Canva workspace loads, simply right-click anywhere on the blank canvas and select Paste. Instantly, your chosen Google image will appear inside your Canva design. From here, you can resize, reposition, or crop the image to make it fit perfectly. You can even adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, or use Canva's filters and effects to match the image with your overall design theme. This gives your work a cohesive, professional appearance. If the image doesn't paste directly, don't worry. Some browsers may not support clipboard image pasting. In that case, right-click on the image in Google again and choose Save Image As to download it. Then, in Canva, click Uploads from the left-hand toolbar and upload your saved image manually. This method of importing images from Google to Canva is both fast and efficient, letting you design without cluttering your computer with unnecessary downloads. Just remember to ensure that the image you're using is free for reuse or properly licensed to avoid copyright issues. And that's it. You've now learned how to seamlessly copy and use images from Google in Canva. This trick opens up endless creative possibilities, giving your designs a fresh and professional touch. Keep experimenting, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.